and I am Ayusha. Today I learn how to place two numbers using with input function. So let's start. My first step is make the variable, and my variable name is x, and I use int and bracket, and I'll write an input function. Input, please enter a number. My second step is second variable is int input, please enter a second number. And my third step is for loop function. I use for loop method. Function. For z is equal to z in, for z in x and y colon z is equal to x plus y. And my last step is print function. Print your answer is colon z. My first letter is 4 and my second is 5. Number is 5. I write there colon because 5 and 9. You can see 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. I write 7 and 78, 787 and 887. My answer is 1674. Thank you.